Welcome back to making a UE5 tutorial every day for the rest of my life. It's day 9, and today we're going to be making a TV static sort of effect that we can use through a material. So without further ado, let's delete the code and get back down to it. So to begin with making this effect, we're going to create a new material, and we can use this on kind of anything really. You can use it on any model. Like if you had a TV, you could like expose the material for the actual screen and just apply that there as well. So let's open up this new material, drag it out over here. And we don't need to do anything with any of the details from the actual material. We just need to start adding some nodes. So we're going to start with a absolute, no we're not, we're going to get a world position, and we're going to get a multiply and plug that into there. And then we want to get a scalar parameter. We can just call this pixel amount and set the value to about 30. And that can plug into the bottom. We then want to floor this. And then we're going to divide whatever that result is by our pixel amount. We're going to get 2 adds, like so. Plug that into that one. And we also want 2 noise nodes. And we're going to chuck that into this one as well. And then we want the minimum value from these 2 noise nodes. And then we can plug that into our base color. Now you can see that it's not actually doing anything at this point in terms of moving, and that's because we need to add a couple more nodes. So we want a time node. So the time node is going to go straight into this one. But before we can add it into this one, what we want to do is we want to add a bit more noise to it. So we're going to get a multiply, and that goes into the B value here. We'll put the time into the A value, and then we're just going to -1 that. And now we've got a official material. It's done. The static effect is working as expected. And just to show that there's no differences here, we'll just update this material to be the test one. And as you can see, it's now set, but there's no change in it. So it's working exactly how it was before. And we get this cool effect. Now this is quite big, so it's quite noticeable that there's like little ripples and stuff. But if you had this on like a small TV in your world, like if I make this a bit smaller, you can see that it's a little bit more effective in terms of an actual TV static effect. But hopefully you found this useful. Thank you so much guys for watching. And as always, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, leave a little like and comment if you want any tutorials covered, and I will see you tomorrow.